Hello, this is Samuel from Depai Carbon Limited. We are an OEM manufacturer for mini inserts, turning inserts, threading inserts, groove inserts, and U-joints and NMEs, and other cutting tools. Today we talk about the mini inserts. Please have a look at our products. This is our apmt 1604 PDER. We also have apmt 11. This is our apmt 1204 MO, and we also have apmt 10. This is our apmt 12. Please have a look. This is our sekr. Please have a look. This is our snmx. It's very hot sale. This is rdmt for reference. And this is cnex. Please have a look. This is sdmt. This is tpkn. Please have a look. This is sekn. This is tpkn. As you can see, it's very beautiful. tpkn 1603. This is our oaku. It's very big, as you can see. This is our ofkr. Please have a look. Okay, this is some of our mini insert samples. And we also have other mini inserts. If you require any other questions, please let us know. And we are happy to be your service. Thank you.